If you've ever wanted to share a file or folder from Google Drive without sending separate access requests every time, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a public Google Drive link in just a few simple steps. This is perfect for sharing documents, folders, images, or resources with teammates, clients, classmates, or anyone who needs quick access. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. All right, let's jump in. First, open Google Drive and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. This matters because you want to change the sharing settings on the exact file or folder you plan to share. Once you're inside Drive, find the file or folder you want to make public. You can use the search bar if you have a lot of files, or simply browse through your folders until you find the right one. Now right-click the file or folder. When the menu opens, look for the Share option. In some cases, you may see Share or Share and Copy Link depending on your version of Google Drive. Click that option to open the sharing settings. This is where you control who can access the file and what they can do with it. Inside the sharing window, look for the General Access section. By default, it will usually say Restricted. That means only people you specifically invite can open the file. To make it public, click the drop-down next to Restricted and change it to Anyone with the link. This is the key step that turns your file into a shareable public link. Once you select it, anyone who has the link will be able to access the file based on the permissions you choose next. After that, decide what level of access you want to give. If you want people to only view the file, choose Viewer. If you want them to leave feedback or notes, choose Commenter. And if you want them to actively edit the file, choose Editor. Be careful with editor access, especially on important documents, because it allows other people to make changes. For most public sharing situations, Viewer is the safest choice. Once your permissions are set, click Copy Link. That copies the public Google Drive link to your clipboard, so you can paste it into an email, message, website, document, or social post. At that point, your file is ready to share. Anyone with the link can open it without needing you to manually approve them, as long as the access is set correctly. If the link still does not work for someone, double-check two things. First, confirm that the general access is set to anyone with the link. Second, confirm that the permission level matches what you want them to do. If it still says restricted, the file is not public yet, and if you accidentally choose the wrong permission, you can always go back and change it later. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can make a public Google Drive link and share your file or folder with anyone you want. This is a super useful skill for business, school, and personal projects, and it can save you a ton of time. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.